Okay, we're gonna apply the last coat here to this boat. I know y'all have been asking a lot about how well it works for gel coats and that kind of thing. The biggest benefit you're going to receive here on gel coats is if you don't have any oxidation occurring, you're certainly going to want to apply this because this will stop oxidation and prevent it from occurring. With that being said, you certainly want to apply it probably about every 6 to 12 months. Most of y'all's boats are going to be covered, so you're going to probably see more along the 12-month side, but if you're out in your boat a lot, you're going to probably see more like 6 months out of it. So, got some dust on this boat, and we're just going to do a quick waterless wash on this area and show you all how to do it. You can even do the acrylics up here. You can do the metals, pretty much everything. There's not too much you can't really do with this stuff, so just lightly wipe to remove the dirt. You can see how much we pick up here. I'll spray one more time because there's a little bit more dirt left around here. And then we're going to go to our clean microfiber, and we're just going to buff this to a nice high gloss finish. And the other benefit to using the last coat is you aren't going to have the issue with waxes and silicones melting off of the vehicle, because this has none of that stuff in there. So this is true coating technology. You will literally have protection while you're out on your boat in the sun. It will not be melting off. Now this is a 1991 boat. This is the original acrylic window on it, the original paint. You see where it was dusty over here and where we cleaned off. So again, this will prevent oxidation from occurring for all of you guys with your boats. Something that definitely happens a lot with gel coats. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and talk to you all soon.